Greetings from Daegu, South Korea. It's Megan with Ayurveda Yoga Academy. I just wanted to talk to you guys today about camel pose. Some people that I know have come into the posture and they feel back pain. So this is a great way. I'm going to show you a technique today that you can practice every day, and it will help bring awareness to your feet and bring awareness to your legs so that you don't feel a burden in your back. Also, if you have achieved camel pose and you're interested in practicing the posture Dagu Vajrasana, then this technique that we're going to practice today is a great tool for you to be able to do that. Thanks for joining me. Let's check it out. Before we begin, some don'ts. Please do not close your eyes. Do not fling yourself forward and smash your face on the ground. Also, please do not twist your spine grabbing one foot and then the other. Wait until there comes a time when you can slowly go back and grab with both hands. It's the same when you come up, please, not one hand at a time. And now to come up into camel pose, press your feet down, squeeze your legs inward, squeeze your pelvis, bring your hands to your buttocks. Keep pressing your pelvis forward, open the fronts of your thighs, lift your chest up. Keep your chin tucked, looking forward. If you feel comfortable, bring both hands together to your feet, grab onto your heels. Keep looking forward if you're easily dizzy, otherwise looking back. Don't lose the feeling in your feet pressing down. Don't lose the feeling in your thighs pressing forward. Don't lose the feeling in your chest lifting up. Staying for about 5 breaths if you can, otherwise releasing any time that you need. Eyes open, tuck your chin, coming back to hero. Once camel pose is comfortable, if you're interested in exploring the posture, Lagu Vajrasana, then like camel pose, press your feet down, press your thighs forward, lift your chest up. Slowly bringing your hands to your calves or to your ankles instead of your heels. Slowly bring your head down towards the ground. If you can, touch the top of your head, but don't sink down. Keep lifting up. This is the key. If you're pressing down through your feet, if you're using your legs, then this will be possible. Eyes open, slowly coming up. Tuck your chin, back to hero. So here's what to do. In hero pose, bring your hands to the ground behind you. Fingertips point forward. Press your hands, elbows straight, chest up. Keep lifting your chest. Now here's the key. Press your feet down. If you can feel your feet pressing down, the fronts of your thighs are going to start to lengthen and open. Keep this feeling and then press your chest up from here. The focus here is your feet pressing down and the fronts of your thighs, that feeling. Make that, whether it's 5 breaths, 10 breaths, stay as long as you need to feel that. And that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope that you found the video helpful. Please like it if you did, and feel free to share with anyone who you think could use it. Also, if you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel. See you next time.